Hello everyone, welcome back to another technical analysis video by the Finance and Investment Center of Kirori College. Today we're going to analyze how markets performed on 22nd of July. But before beginning with today's analysis, let's see how the predictions made by Ayush in the last video went. So Ayush predicted that the markets may initially fall, but during the later hours they may gain momentum. But from our observations, we can see that the markets did initially fall, but it did not gain back the momentum. So now let's start with our today's analysis. Starting with the 50-day moving average, we can see that the market performed near the 50-day moving average, indicating that the markets are in a neutral zone. Coming up to the super trend, we can see that there was a mix of buying as well as selling pressure in the market. Coming up to the Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Bands are indicating a sideways movement, but since our RSI is below 50 and above 40, we can indicate that there is some bearish momentum in the market. Coming up to the faster moving average, coming up to the exponential average, we can see that before closing, the faster moving average cut down the slow moving average from above, indicating the markets have been oversold and the sellers are in a control, indicating there is some mild bearish pressure in the market. Coming up to the RSI, we can see that the markets closed below 50 but above 40, indicating that the markets have been oversold, but there is some mild bearish pressure only. Coming up with the conclusions, the market closed at 25,064.9, a 0.01 lower than yesterday. Moving average, the market performed near the 50-day moving average, indicating markets are in a neutral zone. EMA, the faster moving average cuts the slower moving average from above, indicating markets are in a bearish zone. Super trend indicated a mix of buying and selling pressure throughout the day. Bollinger Bands indicated a sideways movement, but with RSI touching 40, it indicates a mild bearish pressure in the market. RSI closed at 44.22, meaning markets have been oversold, but not in a strong downtrend yet. Prediction, we might see the persistence of mild bearish pressure for coming days as well. Thank you and have a wonderful day.